Welcome to this tutorial on processing Google Drive files using Latenode. Today we'll walk through a powerful scenario that allows you to retrieve an array of file names from a specific Google Drive folder. Let's break down the workflow. We start with a trigger node. This initiates our scenario with a single click of the Run Once button. Simple and efficient. Next, we have the List Files node. This is where the magic begins. It connects to your Google Drive and fetches information about all the files in a folder you've specified. Think of it as a scout reporting back with a list of everything it finds. The heart of our scenario is the Iterator node. It takes that list of files and processes them one by one. Imagine it as a conveyor belt presenting each file for inspection. As each file passes through, the Set Variables node springs into action. It's like a collector, grabbing the name of each file and adding it to an array. By the end of the process, we'll have a neat list of all file names. Finally, the Webhook Response node delivers our results. It takes that array of file names we've built and presents it as the output of our scenario. Now, why is this useful? Imagine you're managing a project with hundreds of documents. This scenario could quickly give you an overview of all files without manually checking. Or perhaps you're a teacher collecting assignments. This could help you verify if all students have submitted their work. The beauty of this scenario lies in its simplicity and power. In just a few steps, we've automated a task that could be tedious and time-consuming if done manually. As we look at the visual representation, you can see how each node flows into the next, creating a streamlined process. The execution times shown for each node demonstrate just how quickly this scenario runs. Remember, this is just one example of what's possible with Latenode. The same principles can be applied to various other tasks, helping you automate and simplify your workflow. That wraps up our tutorial. I hope this scenario inspires you to explore more ways to leverage Latenode in your work. Happy automating!